Yo, what's up? It's your boy Hans Betinta A Studios. We're back with another new video tutorial. Today we are talking about the bertom denoiser. Guys, this is a game changer. Very easy to use, CPU usage friendly, and the interface is just designed for the studios acoustically and tweeted. So this helps to denoise all the background noises in the studio, like the fans, computer fans, the harsh noises, whatsoever happening in your studio. So guys, just apply it to your mixer channel where you have connected your mic, and guess what? The magic happens. So let's go into details with the plugin. So after applying this plugin to your master channel, where your mic is connected, with just simple changes, the magic happens. These are the settings that you must apply to this plugin in order to achieve. Come to 10 Hz, you put it down to negative 30 dB. Then you come to 3.2 kHz, you put it to negative 30 dB. Then you leave the 1 Hz, 316 Hz, and the 100 Hz. You leave them as they are. The real magic happens when you have tempered the threshold of this denoiser. You see it is on 0.00. You have to play with it until you reach something like 0.51. Then there you'll be able to tell what's happening with the background noise. So let's put it up as we are hearing. So you put it up until you have denoised all the background noises. The more you extend the further, the more you denoise noise background. Hope you can tell now the results. Let me take you back. Before applying the plugin and after applying the plugin. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Hans Betinta A Studios. I sign out. Peace.
Scratching the scratch.